In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a coupon link on ElevenLabs so you can make sure the discount applies correctly before you pay. This is a quick and simple process, but there are a few important details you need to know so the coupon works the way it should. For example, coupon links only work if your account is currently on the free plan, and some coupons only apply to monthly billing, so we'll walk through all of that step by step. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your free ElevenLabs account. This part is really important because coupon links are designed to work only when your account is on the free plan. If you're already on another paid plan, the coupon may not activate properly, so before you do anything else, make sure you're using the correct account and that it's currently free. Once you're signed in, click the coupon link you received. This is the key step where the coupon gets activated automatically. After clicking it, ElevenLabs should process the link and show you a confirmation message if the coupon is valid. If you see that confirmation, that's a good sign that the coupon has been recognized by your account. Now, after the coupon link is activated, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select subscription. This takes you to your plan and billing settings, where you can see the available subscription options and make sure everything matches the coupon requirements. On the subscription page, check that monthly billing is selected. This matters because some coupon links are only valid for monthly subscriptions, and if you accidentally have the wrong billing cycle selected, the discount may not apply the way you expect. So take a second here and confirm the billing option before moving forward. Next, find the plan that the coupon applies to and click subscribe under that plan. This starts the checkout process for the plan associated with your coupon. If the coupon is valid for that specific subscription, the system should prepare the discounted checkout automatically. Before you complete your payment, carefully review the checkout page. This is the most important part, because you want to confirm that the discount has actually been applied. Look at the total, the plan details, and any coupon or promo information shown on the page. If the discount is visible, then you know the coupon worked correctly and you can proceed with confidence. If the discount does not appear, stop and double check the basics, make sure you're on a free account, that the coupon link was opened correctly, and that monthly billing is selected if required. These small checks can save you from paying full price by mistake. And that's it. You now know how to use a coupon link on ElevenLabs, activate it properly, select the right subscription settings, and verify the discount before paying. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.